Bye, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, you can talk. You can talk. Aloha.
Yeah, ModSquad, you had me on standby. Hey, ModSquad, you put me on standby. Hey, ModSquad, you put me on standby. Take care. Bye-bye.
I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you there. Come on.
Yeah, but you had me on standby. You had me on standby. You was waiting on me. Take care, ModSquad. I see you.
I'll see you now. I'll see you, man. All right, take care, SwitchBlade. ModSquad, Honolulu. Check, check. Aloha.
Somebody called me, ModSquad, but you got that damn hammer down. You take it over, Squad. I see you.
And I'll see you too. I'll see you too now. ModSquad Mobile. ModSquad Mobile cruising. Aloha.
While you cruising, you whooping ass for 2 steel whips. Hey, ModSquad, that's just my impression, but you whooping ass for 2 steel whips. I see you.
I'll see you. I'll see you now. ModSquad gone. Aloha. Right back, right back. Here I come, here I come, here I come, here I come, right there. ModSquad, Honolulu, read the mail. Right back, SwitchBlade, right back, SwitchBlade. I'm just taking over. I'm just taking over again. ModSquad gone.
Yesterday, it's just like a repeat. It's just like a repeat. Take it, ModSquad, SwitchBlade.
Right there, right there, right there. Hey, SwitchBlade, where's Local Boy on the Big Island?
Don't wake him up. Hey, Local Boy, my friend, but don't wake his ass up. Take it, ModSquad, SwitchBlade. So y'all by yourself. Bye-bye.
He got to deal with Showdown first now. I'll see it now.
Hey, ModSquad, that got me might be on a damn skateboard going down the road. Hey, ModSquad, SwitchBlade. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye, bye-bye-bye. ModSquad gone.
Boy, you got that hammer down, Clyde. I see you.
Hammer time, hammer time, hammer time.
You can't touch that. It's hammer time, Clyde. I see you.
I'll see you now. Bye, bye-bye-bye.
Yeah, nigga. ModSquad, I see you.
Contact. Catch you later now. You all have a good time now.
Well, I like it when you do it like that. Hey, ModSquad, I love your talk show when you do it like that. No background singing. Bye-bye.
No singers included. No singers included. Aloha.
Number the talk show. Number the ModSquad talk show. Bye-bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye. Just like you now. Aloha.
I wish I could. Hey, ModSquad, I wish I could take over just like you. Take care.
That's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. I think they're behind. They're working their way behind you, man. But they can't keep up. Aloha.
Don't get behind me because I got gas. Hey, ModSquad, don't stand behind me because I got gas. ModSquad, SwitchBlade.
All right there, SwitchBlade. Okay, I'll see you, man. ModSquad is right there. Reading the mail.
I mean, boy, you a bad man. ModSquad, you a bad man. SwitchBlade said bye-bye-bye.
Contact, 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 contact. Check it out in Honolulu. Check it out. ModSquad Mobile gone now. And I'm back listening. I'm back reading this mail.
No bogey 5. While you were sitting back listening, ModSquad, SwitchBlade, bye-bye-bye.
Contact. ModSquad said, I heard you. Yellow man want to talk to me. Bye, Yellow Man. Bye, Yellow Man. Bye. Bye, MedicineMan. You too. And ModSquad did that, SwitchBlade. ModSquad did that. Aloha. I'll see you too. I'll see you too, man. Hey, that MedicineMan pumped up. I think MedicineMan pumping up. Aloha.
I don't keep it, man. I'm just telling. I do not keep up and fight medicine.
Hey, Medicine Man, have a good one, Medicine Man. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Medicine Man, aloha. Right back, Medicine Man. Right back, Medicine Man. You have a good one. Medicine Man, Mod Squad, Honolulu, Hawaii. Medicine Man, the little car in the mini grass gone. Aloha.
You talking about tag team talking Medicine Man, but ModSquad making it rough. No, I ain't got no bone to pick with you, son. But it sounded like you were talking between keys. Take care of SwitchBlade, hopefully.
And Mod Squad did that, Blade. Mod Squad did that. Aloha.
Hey, big shot. Hey, sit down. Hey, ModSquad, I ain't talking to you. You talking about trying to keep talking to Medicine Man. You talking to Medicine Man. Let me talk to somebody else. SwitchBlade, get down.
Right back, SwitchBlade. Right back, Medicine Man. You guys take care. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Right back. Aloha.
My name is Medicine Man. You don't act like I'm killing him. I don't kill Medicine Man. Hey, ModSquad, you talk to Medicine Man. Let me talk to somebody else. SwitchBlade, get down.
Right back, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade. I'm reading the mail now.
I know you got down. Hey, ModSquad, TrainDriver. Hey, ModSquad, TrainDriver, Magnolia.
I hear that. I hear TrainDriver, man. I hear TrainDriver jumping in there, too. Take your TrainDriver, Mod Squad gone.
That's my nephew, my best friend. TrainDriver is my nephew, and Medicine Man is my best friend. I know him just coming. Hey, take care of ModSquad. Hey, slow down. Come on, so what can say? I'm SwitchBlade this.
Hey, TrainDriver, have a good one, TrainDriver. TrainDriver, have a good one. I didn't mean to key on Showdown, but you know how it goes. Mod Squad gone. TrainDriver said hello, Medicine Man. Hey, Medicine Man, TrainDriver said hello to you, man. Take your Medicine Man, TrainDriver with the friendly 5 said hello. Aloha.
Yeah, you damn right. I can't make ModSquad a bad man, but sit down,
Cut him off, cut him off, cut him off, cut him off with a little car, cut him off with a little car, cut him off with a little car. Bye now, Mod Squad gone. Don't be long-winded now. Bye, TrainDriver. Aloha. Mod Squad gone. Aloha. ReeBock right there, ReeBock C-Town right there, ReeBock. You got it going on, ReeBock. ReeBock, Mod Squad, Honolulu, ReeBock. Aloha. Bye, ReeBock. You take care. Enjoy the day too there, ReeBock. Enjoy the day too, ReeBock. Mod Squad Mobile. Mod Squad Mobile. Put it back in the mini grass. Bye, ReeBock. Bye, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad gone. Don't get them excited now. Bye, TrainDriver. Bye, TrainDriver. You got up. TrainDriver, you got up. Aloha.
You got more legends all about that lady. Take care. Sit down. Please, listen. You give your name call. Bye.
Mod Squad gone again. Mod Squad gonna do it again. Mod Squad gonna do it again. Mod Squad Honolulu. Bye, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, open the gate. Open the gate, SwitchBlade, open the gate, SwitchBlade around Wolf Lake, Aloha.
The 12 last break.